Now friends, let's open Composer again. In Composer, we will open our file which is previously made by us. For that, click on Open, and we have saved the file in Document folder. You may have to locate your folder. Select the file, click Open. It will open the form. Now, after address, we have seen that we have to insert gender field. Write gender and write male and female. Now, as we already know, for gender we have to use radio buttons. So place the cursor and click the menu, open the menu. In form field, select radio button. Give a group name. I am giving it gender. Field value. This radio button is for male, so I am writing field value male. Click on OK. You will see a radio button. Same way, again, in form field, select radio button. Group name should be same, so I am writing gender. It must be same. And field value, I am writing female. Click OK. Right? Next field is hobby. In our book, they have given 3 hobbies: reading, singing, dancing. We will have to insert checkboxes for this. Click form field, select checkbox. Field name, I am giving field name HB for hobby. You can give any field name. OK. For singing, again same procedure. Checkbox HB, OK. And for dancing also, form field, checkbox HB. Any point of time you can select and increase the text size. You can view it very easily. Now the last input field is city, right? City. For city we have to insert pull down menu. Click open form menu and selection list. Pull down menu will be inserted using selection list. In selection list properties dialog box, give a list name. I am giving it city. Then click on add option. Ahmedabad, add option. Baroda, add option. Bombay, add option. Bangalore, add option. Chennai. You can insert as many cities as you want. OK. Now please note that you cannot select the checkbox or open the pull down menu, because we are working in just a source window. We are developing a form, a website, right? They will work in web browser. OK. Now I am also selecting city and make the larger fonts. Finally, we have to insert 2 buttons, submit and reset. Open the form menu, form field, select submit button. Field name I am giving submit, and value, which label do you want to display on that button. I am writing register. You can write anything. OK. And again form field. Now reset button. Reset and OK. See, our form is ready now. Now, as per our book, we have to change the background of our form or page also. For that, click on format menu, and second last option is page colors and background. Select that option. Select the use custom colors option and select any background from here. Okay. Save the file and click browse to view the output. Our output has been shown in web browser. Okay.